Hey guys, so as you just saw, it's a Friday evening and मैं बस अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ऑफिस से आई हूँ. And please don't mind how I look. I've just done my skincare. There is no makeup, no nothing. तो आज सुबह ये IKEA का छोटू सा पैकेज आया था and I've been so exciting. Like I've been waiting the entire day to open this कि मैं घर जाऊँगी और जाके खोलूँगी. मेरा मिंत्रा का भी पैकेज आया था and I just like got a couple of t-shirts. But this was something that I was really excited about. So first thing is that I got these towels. So ये hand towels हैं. ये basically ये बस 200 rupees का था. 200 rupees में मुझे 4 towels मिले हैं. And the idea was that I needed a couple of towels to use in the kitchen basically. तो मुझे इनका size भी ठीक लगा. And I think it's really cute. It's sort of like a handkerchief size, but मेरे use के लिए kitchen के हिसाब से this is very nice. So I got 4 of these, and yeah, they're all of the same size. And there's also like a आप इसको इससे टांग भी सकते हैं. You can hang it with this, and I feel the color is also really pretty. The material is also very nice if you see it over here. बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही प्यारा सा mint green color है, and I really like it. So I got 4 of them. Then I got let's see, what is this? So excited. I feel when I shop on IKEA ना, मतलब मुझे it's like I'm in a candy store. ठीक है कि there are so many things मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मैं क्या क्या खरीदूं. Plus it's very affordable. So I went on their online website और मुझे ना vase चाहिए था. The one I had before broke. तो एक vase के चक्कर में मैंने थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा फालतू की चीजें खरीद ली. But I justified by saying that ये सब सस्ता मिल रहा है. And ये सेल पे था honestly. Like IKEA पे वैसे भी बहुत ही reasonable सामान मिलता है. And plus सेल पे था. So जो मैं खरीदने गई थी वो ये नहीं है, but ये एक मैंने ले लिया. So this is also a vase. Look, this is such a cute small vase, and I feel this is so nice. The quality is very nice. काफी thick है ये. इसके पहला वाला जो था मेरा, वो मैंने Amazon से खरीदा था. And while cleaning it just broke. तो मुझे एक vase चाहिए था. This is so cute, like just like keep this on a table, on your center table or something with like a rose or just like एक flower में इसमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. This is so pretty. This was also, how much was this for? इन सब के रेट्स मुझे याद नहीं है, but all of these things were like 200, 300, 400 के रेंज में. And this is really nice. Like for the price I pay, this is very durable. काफी मजबूत है ये. And this is really cute. Yeah, cute. Then I got this. These are basically, I'll show you what they are. I'll show you. So yeah. So these are basically your table napkin crockery I have at home. The dinner set basically is this very nice navy blue color, and I felt कि ये as a napkin on the table will look very nice. I can just do something like this, keep it on a plate, or just like keep it on the side, for your guests and all. ये I feel इसकी कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं, but मुझे लगा कि keeping these napkins I feel makes the whole eating experience very nice. You think that you're sort of dining outside. आप ऐसे कहीं बाहर खाना खा रहे हैं तो आपको napkins मिलते हैं. And I wanted my guests or even myself, to have that experience. Like why not? Because it's cloth, right? You can wash it if it gets dirty and anything, so कोई problem नहीं है. And I feel this is much more sustainable than using tissue papers, right? कि कुछ भी हो गया थोड़ा सा, you just use like a tissue paper or something. I feel when you're eating, कितना ही आप गंदा करते हो, right? So I feel this is just the perfect solution. So I got 4 of these, and the quality is very nice. As you can see, it's a very nice, it's very soft, this sort of like this khadi linen material. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very nice. And yeah, I got 4 of these napkins. इसमें बहुत सारे colors भी थे. There were like a bunch of patterns in this. I personally prefer this because as I said, right, that I have blue crockery. तो मुझे लगा कि blue crockery के साथ में ये sort of like beige blue बहुत ही different लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. मैंने ये खरीदा. उसके बाद yeah, this was funny, but I thought why not. I got this ice tray, and I feel इतना cute है. This has dolphins and ships on this, or a boat, whatever you want to call it. But I feel this is so cute. This is such a funny thing. And anyway, like my water tray was, my ice tray was broken. तो मुझे वैसे भी एक tray चाहिए थी. और इतना क्यूट लगा. I feel every time I would use it, I'd laugh, and it's cute. Just like, why not? I mean, it's cute. So yeah, I got this tray. It's funny, but I really like it. It's very cute. Then I got this. These are also kitchen towels, but I'm not going to use it to like wipe the counters. उसके लिए नहीं है ये. तो ऐसा है first of all ये. एक ये pattern है. Then एक ये pattern है, the check pattern. Then we have these lines, and then we have bigger checks. This. So I got these 4 different patterned cloth. Try to use cloths to like hold hot utensils. गरम बर्तनों को पकड़ने के लिए आप यूज करते हैं, या फिर इसको आप ऐसे अगर आपको कुछ गरम सामान वुड पे रखना है, टेबल पे रखना है, तो you just like use this. You can also use this cloth sort of like a mat. एक mat की तरफ इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, and you can keep like hot utensils on top of this. तो इसलिए भी ये काम आएगा. And just like for anything, I mean, ये kitchen के लिए आप इसको कभी भी कहीं पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So yeah, that's what I got. And the quality, guys, it's very very nice. Like काफी अच्छा है, काफी thick है ये कपड़ा, and it's not see through, as you can see. It's very nice, like very good quality. इसमें भी काफी सारे पैटर्न्स थे. इसमें एक था जिसमें आई थिंक रेड फ्लावर्स वगैरह थे, बट आई फेल दैट दिस इज क्वाइट न्यूट्रल, और मुझे ऐसी सिंपल चीज अच्छी लगती है, तो मैंने ये लिया. दिस आल्सो सेट ऑफ 4 ऑफ कोर्स. Yeah, then this is also something very fun. This is a blanket, guys, and this was just 300 bucks. 300 रुपए में मुझे ये ब्लैंकेट मिली. मुझे लगा था मेरी लॉटरी लग गई है, बिकॉज ये इतना बढ़िया. एक तो दिस इज सो बिग. Okay, this is so soft. The quality, I mean, just look at this. It's so nice. It's so soft, so dainty. The color is very nice. So essentially, it's like this. It's like this. It's a mustard checkered blanket, and this is so pretty. And this is a throw blanket basically. इसको मैंने अपने couch के लिए लिया. जब ठंड लग रही है, आप मूवीज देख रहे हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, तो you just like take this on over yourself. This is so nice. Trust me, like this doesn't look 300 rupees, and there are websites out there जो इसी चीज को 1000 रुपए में बेचेंगे, definitely, or even costlier. But 300 rupees, 300 रुपए, मतलब कमाल है. मतलब you don't have, IKEA doesn't even need to sell this thing to me. I'm like, 300 रुपए, take my money. This is so nice for 300 rupees. I just don't understand कि कैसे ये 300 रुपए का, but it's very very nice. It's very very soft. It's not cotton or anything. This is polyester. It's like it's 100% recycled polyester, so you're being sustainable, and it's very nice. It's very cute, and just for the purpose of that, I needed a throw blanket. And the best part is that इसमें mustard color है, which sort of adds like a very nice color to your room. जैसे मेरा पूरा couch is quite basic beige color का है, and even the cushions and all I put are very this off-white or beige color. So this will add some color into my life on my couch. So this is very cute. This is just steal deal. I feel 300 रुपए तो मतलब आग बंद करके खरीदने वाला है. अगर अभी भी अवेलेबल है वेबसाइट पे, trust me, you can definitely go and buy. And now the thing जिसकी वजह से ये सब मैंने खरीदा, I wanted to just buy this one thing, but ये सारी चीजें इतनी क्यूट थी, मुझे लगा यार ले लेती हूँ. क्या है? This is so pretty. So as I mentioned that मुझे बास चाहिए था, मैंने बास लिया. Just look at this, it's so cute. This is so nice. This is again that ribbed material, and आप लोगों को पता है कि मेरा ribbed के साथ में बहुत बड़ा obsession है. But I feel this is so nice, so sturdy. First of all, मैंने जो Amazon से खरीदा था, that was also very nice. But the only thing was कि वो थोड़ा पतला ग्लास था, तो वो धोने में टूट गया. ये नहीं टूटने वाला है, definitely not. This is very nice, very मजबूत, very very मजबूत. Trust me, ये बहुत अच्छा है. And just look at this. This looks so pretty. I basically got this. I love getting fresh flowers. मुझे ऐसे roses और रजनीगंधा और ऐसे lilies, orchids वगैरह बहुत पसंद है. So it has this sort of cylindrical structure to it. ये नीचे से it's like a bowl, and it has like a very nice cylindrical neck. इसको पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं, but ये है बहुत cute. And look at this, so pretty. So when I do style it, with some flowers and all, I will definitely show you guys. But just look at it, so pretty, it's so cute. So yeah, and that's about it for the haul. Continue watching the vlog, please.